Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to backup Android 2025. Let's begin. So let's go to the settings and let's scroll down, and if we go to the system we will have a nice backup option, and in here you can backup your device by only backupping photos and videos, or other device data, or both. Now, of course, this may vary on your device. For example, many Samsung phones have their own Samsung-based backup system, but most Android phones should be coming with a backup based from Google, and it should be found right here. If you don't see it, you might as well try to search for your Google account specifically. So for me it's probably password, passkeys and accounts. And go to our Google account, and then go to our Google account once again, but we can't really do that since I do not have internet connection, but we should be able to get through that backup info through here. But yeah, then you want to simply check if you want to, let me show that once again. Then you want to simply check if you want to backup both photos and videos or other device data only. And then you want to simply hit confirm, and process of backup will be done. And the info from the backup will be saved on the Google account you have chosen, and you can see it right here. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.